Good evening, students. So, in this month, we are starting with our very first poem. The name of the poem is Somebody's Mother. It is a very nostalgic and emotional poem. This particular poem is a story about a old woman. How, due to her old age, she struggled in life. Nobody took notice of her, and she was living in a very sad state of affairs. And this is the poem which moved me deeply because whatever is our age or whatever it is, we should deeply respect our grandparents who are old and need our care and love. In the first stanza, we are witnessing the line starts from the woman was old, aged, and slow. This is the first stanza. In the very first stanza, the name of the poet is Mary Dawn Browning. She is telling that woman is old. She is very old and poor. And her health conditions are not good. She is suffering from old age, senile age symptoms. Due to old age, she can't stand erect. And to make the matter worse, there is a chilled wind blowing, and that chill wind, what it is doing, she has to stoop low like this in order to feel the warmth, in order to feel the heat or get the warm, to keep herself heated up. She has to stoop herself, and due to the age, her hairs have also turned gray in color. And he also tells that since she is old, and since due to the snowfall, the street where she is living, the street is wet, and since she is old, she is unable to walk fast. She is taking the baby steps. Why she is taking the baby steps? Because she is old. She does not have the energy. She does not have the power to carry herself forward. This is the meaning of the first stanza. In the second stanza, it started, she stood, anxious eyes. Here, the cruelty, the cold hurt-heartedness of the people were shown. The old woman is waiting for a very long time to cross the road. She needs the help of someone, some policeman, some people, some boy, girl, or a man or a woman to help her cross the road. But people just were glancing towards her. They were just looking towards her, but nobody really came to help her cross the road. And this is hugely terrible, that where is the humanity, where are the decorums, the manner, the etiquettes which was required at that moment. And that very moment, another thing happened, that people cold-heartedness is shown, and around the people she was feeling alone. Why she was feeling alone? Because nobody came to rescue her, help her to cross the road. Second stanza meaning. Now we will move to the third stanza. In the third stanza, down the street and deep. Here the poem takes a little turn. Here it is described that the young boys, they are coming out of the school and they are feeling very happy and gleeful. And they are playing with the snow. They are scattering the snow, the fresh snow which has fallen. And they are feeling very merely happy, this and that. So their freedom, the freedom of the boys is compared with flock of the sheep. Like how the flock of the sheep, all of a sudden, if they are shown the ground, wide ground, how all of a sudden in heaps they will come. Like that also, for the young boys studying for so many hours in the school, is not a good thing, because they are young boys, they want to enjoy the freedom. So they are very happy when they are out of the school and scattering the snow. This is the meaning of the third stanza. In the next video, I will cover the next stanza. And this is the close zooming of the poem. If you have any doubt, anything in these three stanzas, you can ask me anytime.